Well, see, when I was at the store, I thought I was doing myself a favor, and I thought I got an extra couple of these, but when in reality I didn't. I've got 6 left, and I've got 1 joist here, 1 floor joist there, and 1 over there. So that means I got 6 joist hangers. So, and I have enough, but I don't have any for these places right there, right over there, right there, and right over there. But you know what? I'm not going to put any. See, I could put a joist hanger right there, but like I say, I'm not going to, and the reason why is because I have it screwed to this block. This block is attached to here. This is attached over to the end. I've got 3 screws going in through the stucco into the OSB. I've got liquid nail behind there. I've got the full force of this on here. You know, where's it really going to go? Not going to go anywhere. Same thing over here, see? Same situation there. Over there I've got screws into the wood, the OSB. I've got glue into it. You know, I've got it supported halfway. So do I really need to do it over there too? I've got screws into that, pre-drilled, and got screws into there, screws into here. I mean, I do have some extra clips. See, I had some small ones and some big ones. I don't know why I got the small ones other than to show you that they do have small Simpson strong ties. And this would be for 2x4 or something. This is too long for a 2x4 on the side. Or you can use it for small little clips. But I used my track for all kinds of different things. And I've been at flat there, and I've done different things for underneath. You saw all the different clips, and that's not really structural. These clips are structural. Okay, so I'm not going to end up using these. I just wanted to show you that they have small ones, and they have 4.5-inch ones like this, and then I know they have 7-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch, and joist hangers like this. They've got for 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x8s, 2x10s, 2x12s. They got all kinds of different hangers. If you go to the store or you look through a catalog, you can get practically anything for connections. So what I could do, if I want, I could take these little clips and I could put one just here on the inside. Okay? Like that, right there. No different than that one right there. You know, those inside corner ones. And I think I might do that. I think I'll do that. That'll at least give it a few more nails to hold it up. And I'll be done with it. Okay. Just wanted to show you that.